welcome to another video.
Come on, mate. Da-da-da-da. So I just hook it up to that side. Sorry. It's just a lift and get out of here. It's Friday as well, so okay, if I take it as close as I can to that side, I should be all right. Tag axle on this side, like that. Come in. If you're coming, I might be able to get out. Well, no, I might be able to get out. You could have pulled in there before, but you didn't. Nice one. I'm just looking at the place I'm gonna be going, and it's a building site, and it looks a little bit tight to get in there. That's what it looks like. It's one little street. I better show you this. Come on. So this is what it actually looks like. Put them on the full screen. Coming down that little road there, but what I was a little bit concerned about is when you come from this side, it's a little bit. It looks like it's space there, but it depends how many cars is gonna be in there, because they're gonna be going all the way down there. Hopefully it's not gonna be cars coming up. The place I'm going, I believe, is that way. I'm gonna have to walk in there. It's not much place where to park as well, so I better just get there, to be honest. All right, I got the two side knobs working together, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Okay, good to go. It should be there in the next 40 minutes, it says in that one, but this one is saying 12 minutes. I know I always say the same thing, but before you even get there, have a look on the Google Maps on the Google Street. It helps so much. All right, nearly there. Okay. Now this is the road you're seeing on the Google Maps now. All right, okay. Not gonna be able to get past, mate. There you go. Thank you. Get in that bay there, you. Thank you. All right, yeah, this is the next turn down here. Just come on. Is she going past? No. Come on, mate. If you get there in that corner, you know you stay there, you. There we go. Yeah, pal. There you go. I'm going down that way. So let me see how I can let these guys go on, because I need to turn down that way. I need to go down that way. That's the building side over there. At the same time, I gotta be really careful because of the swing of the trailer as well. Yeah, just go straight a bit. Swing of the trailer, swing of the trailer. At the same time. Okay. That car there's come. All right. Ta-da-da-da. Exciting jobs. Right. Okay. All right, that's the building side there. All right, we're here now. It's gonna be a pain to get out.
You have to go, when you back up there, you have to go that way to drive out.
Can I go that way?
Yeah.
All right, okay.
It's not hard right hand turn, but you can get it.
All right, okay.
Don't try and reverse back up that straight because it's an nightmare. Don't try and turn down.
Yeah.
Because you won't for them bollards.
All right, okay. So when I come out,
go reverse out and then you won't get up.
all right, okay. All right, okay. Let's just get this sister lift and get out of here. It's Friday as well, so.
What you're doing is best getting his lift out first.
Yeah. All right, this is the one. Need to get a picture of the diesel as well. This is gonna be easy to get out of there because there's a car there too. This is 4x4, this thing. Unload this bad boy. Right there. Yeah. All right. A bit longer to turn, but all right. Oh, need to do that. Right, so do this and get out of here. Hold it and then put the ramps up and then strap it. And because that's the only one, I'm just gonna put it there. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Knock it off. There you go. Okay. And then I just follow the tracks in the middle. Yeah. Just trying to think how. So I just hook it up to that side and then put my chainsaw. I done a little bit different today. I put chains at the front, which is to hold it that way in case it goes back, and I pull straps at the back because it's not going to pull forward anywhere because it's right against the chassis or against the trailer, so that's fine. I know he says that a lot of trucks come down here, but it must be another way. You gotta do what you gotta do, I think, and we need fuel when we get back. All right, gonna have to blindside it to get out as well. All right, let's stop messing about and get out of here now. Come on, lad. All right, I'm all right on that side. So if I close there, you just literally just follow the tracks that I made. It's a car not coming here. All right, okay, if I take it as close as I can to that side, I should be all right. And then I just gotta be careful with my tag axle on this side, like that. All right, okay. I'm gonna need my mirror right now. Next time you're on the road, just get my trailer. If I get it past there, I should be sweet. And that's it. Nothing on that side. second one. Is he gonna go past the third one? Yeah, that's so. Alright, okay, let's get out of here now. Okay, wasn't too bad. Alright, okay. Whew. Alright, okay. 7.5 ton weight limits there. Alright, okay. I can't do this. This is going back to basics. And look at that trailer. This is why it helps so much that. Yeah, good. We get back to Ling nearly 20 to 4. So that will give me time to load and take this off and then get ready for Monday as well. Come in. If you're coming, I might be able to get out. Well, no, I might be able to get out. It's all right. So give me this. Yep. There you go. Thank you. How we gonna do it, mate? You could have pulled in there before, but you didn't. Nice one. That's fine. Oh well, Trucking UK is back. Yeah, fine. I bet you everybody's just thinking like, why are you down here? Why are you in the 7.5 ton weight limit? Why are you this? Why are you that? I'm just glad we are at that place. We done that. When I looked it up on the map, I was thinking I'd be able to come in that way, and when I'm backing out, instead of going left, which I did, I would have reversed to the right, and then I would be able just to come the same way I came down, and would it be so much easier. But at last minute, that changed, which happens all the time. It's unpredictable. Like a lot of things in trucking are really unpredictable, and management of situation like this are really good. But anyway, back to Ling, load for Monday, go back to the yard, and that should be it. I got another couple of things to do, so we go and do that, and then we knock it off in the head, ready for Monday. But it's just been an accident. I'm stuck on traffic now. I just made myself a butty. Don't know how long I'm gonna be here for, but hopefully this is not the end of the video. I just got stuff all over myself after like having a butty. I can't even have a butty in the truck. I'm gonna have to clean it in a minute. Anyway, here we are. We're nearly there now. Pull in, back up. Yeah, I just load off on Monday. That should be pretty quick actually. Alright, I'm on red now. I know I'm going back to the yard, but I'm on red. So he's saying they got 260 kilometers left, so that should be enough to, well, I'm in Lynn now, so back to the yard in Liverpool. It's about, I will say about 20 miles from here, so it should be alright. Should be alright then. Alright, somebody's already in there, so I'm gonna have to wait for them to finish, and then I'll be able to go in. Oh, I'm tired, man. Like I'm beyond tired. Like this week it's been mental. Beyond tired today. Alright, just reversing to this. I offload this, and then when I take this off, I get the other ones loaded. Let's go. Run out of time if I don't be quick, because it takes some time to load as well. Bit more. a little bit of space to get down as well. All right, that's the one. Oh, just try to do this quick, guys. That is the boom I need to collect. Well, not collect, put in this. Look at that beautiful truck. Look at that. Nice and clean, that baby. Oh yeah, I went and clean it. Spin around in here. All right, bit further in. Be back. Yeah, sound there. This is the other one. Oh, still connected, that's why. Back of it. I had to move this to be able to get on hands on that. What a pain, I'm not gonna get home today. Not gonna get home at this rate. Come on. Right, time to get in there. Let's go. Let's go, boy. Come on, come on. Everybody's going home. Bye. Everybody's leaving and I'm still here. Come on, come on. We gotta do this every time. Yeah, let's do the rest of it now. Let's take the R&M now. Woo! All right, okay. Gosh. All right. Be back in a second. Let me fit this in, and then I'll be able to sort most of the stuff out. I'm in a rush. I'm in a rush. Yeah, let's go. Right, okay. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. I need to get home. Cheers, Mum. Join the motorway quite quick. All right, here we are. Just trying to think if it's gonna be enough space for me to go and fuel up right now. Anyway, I'll be back in a second, kids. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. I'm gonna leave it here. Just putting the AdBlue in and then fuel up, and now I'll be out of here. Let's have a good weekend.